Hey friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to work on the member depths and the member roles functionality. So the first thing that I'm going to do, as you can see here, that in the previous videos I have created these files, member depths and the member roles, but the first thing that I'm going to do is to change the name of these files, and after that I will work on further two more files and I will show you all these things. But first of all, let me just change the name of this, like from member depths to like show depths. And similarly from member roles to what you can say show roles, like this. All right, so now you can see that all these two files names are changed. Now what I will do, I will change the name of them, like from member roles, like select them. All right, so member roles. Now let's write show roles like this. And after that, let's go to the member depths and I will change the name of them from member depths to show depths. Show depths, like this. All right, show depths, show roles. So now they will work fine. So after that, let's delete, let's close them, and now let's create two more files. That will be cobra add depths. Clear this, and after that cobra add roles. So now you can see that these two files are created. Basically these two files will be used to show the roles and the departments, and these two files will be used to apply the roles and departments and to add them into the MySQL database. All right, so this is the reason. So I will copy them, move them from here to in the member directory, like this. All right, so now you can see that all of them are moved, but some of the errors that are causing here, basically I need to write the correct package name from cmd to member, and similarly I will write this cmd root, like this. All right, so now it will not give me any errors. So let's remove this text. I don't need it. Let's go to the depths, and with the depths I will also do these things like this member, and write what you can say cmd root. So now it will not give me an error. All right, so as you can see here that the errors are gone from here, but these are the files that are newly detected and they are unidentified. So I will add them when I will use the git. But first of all, let me just delete this long description, and after that what I will do, I will go to the status.go file, and inside this file you can see that there are two if statements that I have written. One is for the member login token, and another one is for the member login token. Basically this is used when the admin will be logged in, and this is used when the member will be logged in. So I'm going to copy all these two if statements and I'm going to paste them here like this. All right, so basically when the member will log in, then in that case the member departments will be inserted, or the member account email will be fetched, and after that account name and the email address of that member combined with the department will be inserted into the MySQL database. All right, so I will fetch the email address of the admin, and I will also fetch the email address of the member, and after that when I fetch those email addresses, I will also add the department of that member or that admin when the member will insert it. All right, or when the user will insert it. So let me just show you. As you can see here that it is only giving me the account name, so I'm going to delete it from here, and I'm also going to delete it from here because I don't need it. I will just fetch the email address, and I will fetch the department or the role name that I will fetch use it like this. All right, but first of all I will go to the department and work on this. So as you can see here that inside this you can see that this is the login token that it is fetching, and this is the member login token that it is fetching. In that case when the member will log in, it will move to this if statement, or if the admin is logged in, it will move to this if statement. All right, and this will delete the member login token, because when the admin login will be logged in, then in that case the member login token credentials will be deleted. Similarly, if the member login token is logged in, then in that case the login or the admin login token will be deleted. So this is the thing that you need to keep in mind. And once I do this, after that what I will do, I will go to the what you can say, let's go to the insert, or check out the log or status. Is there any flag? No. So let's just copy the flag from here. As you can see here, that this is one flag that I need to copy, and after that let's go to the departments and paste it down here. All right, and after that let's remove this from set member to deps mem, like this. Similarly deps. All right, so not deps mem, instead deps. So let's write departments, and department for D, specify the department to set up, the department to set up. So this will be the department name that the user will enter, and after that, that department will be inserted into the MySQL database with the user email address, either the member email address or the admin email address, both of them. So let's call this department flag. So I have not called it. Let's go to the setmember.go file, and inside it you can see that pick any one of this and go to the departments again, scroll up like this, and write it like inside of password I will write department, and after that I will write what you can say department, like this. So this is how it will work. So let's close this set member, and now you can see that the department is called but it is not used. So I will use it, but first of all I will also write account what you can say account email, redis get account info, and I will write account email. So this is the admin account that I'm going to fetch. So after that I will use this, I will copy this and write it down here. So this will be for the member account email. All right, member account email, similarly member account email. So this is going to be the member account email, and this is going to be the account email of the admin. And once they are inserted, I will insert this account email or the member account email into the MySQL database, and I will also insert the department relevant to that user. So after that, let's write what you can say the print statement, your department is successfully added, like this. All right, so let's copy this, copy from here also, and now the next thing that I'm going to do is to go to the insert.go file, because inside this insert.go file I will write a query, and this will basically insert the data into the MySQL database. So let's just copy this function and paste it down here, and now let's make some modifications like insert member data. From member data I will write insert departments, like this, and give the email address and the what you can say department also. All right, so similarly I will write departments, not the members, departments, like this. All right, so let's remove this. These all credentials are not required. I'm only going to insert two credentials, like the email address and the departments. So the email address will show that this department is belonging to this email address, all right, or this account. So let's write department. Similarly, remove these values and put just two values, like this. All right, emails and departments. So I hope it will work. Department, let me just check. Sorry, cancel. Whether it is giving me an error or not. Departments, like this. The spelling should be correct. Departments, like this. Department. Sometimes there is a spelling mistake, so I need to be aware of this. Yeah. So let's say, and one thing I want to mention is that I need to write from table 3 to table 4, because I will create a table 4 also. You can see that 0, 1, 2, 3 and 3. Now I'm going to create a table 4 also. So yeah, like this. So this was an important point that you need to keep in mind. Instead of writing table 3, you need to mention the table 4, any kind of table that you want into the SQL. So let's write like this, and this is the email, this is the departments. Similarly, I will write departments here also. So now this is the table by the name of departments, and inside there are two values that are going to be inserted, like the email and the departments. So now let's save it, and now this value will be inserted into the MySQL database. Let's open the deps.go file. So inside it you can see that these are the credentials that are required. So what I will do, I will write insert MySQL insert department, and the department, first of all, the account email will be given and the department name will be given. All right. So similarly, I will write this, copy this and put it down here. And this time I will not write account name. Instead, I will write member account email. And this is the admin account email, and this is the department. All right. So now it will show that this member or this user or admin is having this department. All right. So this is how it will work. So let's save this. And now what I will do, the next thing that I'm going to do is to copy this if statement and go to the roles. And inside this roles, you can see that this is the file. First of all, I will remove this long description and paste the data here. So now instead of departments, it will work like the roles. So like this. All right. Roles, and now the similar process will be applied, but instead of writing department, I will write roles. Your role is successfully added. And now similarly, I will write role is successfully added. Go to the deps and put this flag here and copy it, paste it down here. And similarly, I will write the roles CMD like this. Instead of writing department, I will write what you can say, role R flag and the department flag like this. So I hope you understood, but now what I need to do, I need to change this MySQL database functionality. So let's go to the SQL database. And inside this, you can see that this is the function that I need to copy and paste it again. Let's write roles instead of writing department. So similar process will be applied here. A role like this. And now let's write what you can say, roles. And this is going to be the roles also. All right. So now based on this email address, this will basically judge that this role is belonging to this email account address. All right. So let's write the fifth table instead of writing the what you can say 4 table. So yeah, go to the db.sql file, copy this, paste it down here, and let's write what you can say roles. Let's write day roles like this. All right, let's check it again whether it is having some kind of error or not. No, it is not having any kind of error as far as I seen. Yeah, so let's save this, and now let's go to the roles and change this insert department from insert department to insert role like this. Insert role and insert role like this. So now this will not give me an error. All right. So let's go to the logout.go file. One thing I have forgotten, and that is you can see that this is the login token, member login token, and this is the member account details that are going to be deleted. But I'm also going to delete the admin account details as well. So let's say if the member is logged out, then in that case the member account credentials will be logged out, or the member account credentials will be deleted from the Redis, but the admin account credentials will not be deleted. So I want to delete the admin account credentials also if the admin is logged out. All right, so this is the point that you need to keep in mind. So let's what you can say, let's copy these credentials, and once I do this, I will write like this, paste it down here, and now let's remove this member from here. And now this is the account email, account password, account name, and this is the what you can say member account email, member account password, and member account name. So they are basically, when the member will what you can say, when the member will say yes, then the member account credentials will be deleted. Similarly, if the admin say yes, then admin credentials will be deleted. All right, so this is the important point. So now let's save them all like this, and now let's write go install proctl logout. Now let's write login Vanes tree like this. This is the admin account that you need to keep in mind. All right, proctl what you can say proctl login. Now let's write show deps. If I write show deps, you can see that now the departments of the department are shown to me. But if I write depths only and give the departments like D, so first department, like first department. So this first department is going to be added into the Vanes tree account. So if I show you select from departments, you can see that this first department is belonging to this email address. If I log out and write proctl login with another account like this one, this is the member account email address. All right, you are successfully logged in. But now if I type what you can say second department, to your department is successfully added. Now you can see that this department is belonging to this email address. This is how it will work. And after that, let's apply the roles also. So I will write proctl deps, roles. Roles is going to be R. So R first role, all right, or second role, but first role. First role, your role is successfully added. First role. Let's write, instead of departments, I will write roles. Now you can see that the rules should be inserted, although this is not clear why. All right, so you can see that here is the role, here is the department that I have written. So this is the point that you need to, as you can see, this is the role, this is the roles. So I need to clear this, and after that I need to clear this one also, like role. Yeah, this was a mistake from my side. Yeah, role. So now it will work correctly. We'll go install. Role successfully added. You can see now this is the first role. So in the upcoming videos I will work on this functionality more. So let's say if there are multiple, if there are same email address, then the role should only be allotted once, not multiple times. So I will work on this functionality further. And now let's go to the proctl logout again, log in with an what you can say the admin account. What you can say here is the admin account. proctl roles R for the second role. Your role successfully added. This is the second role. All right, so this is how it will work. So now let's write go git add git commit m added the or what you can say, saved the role and department data in the MySQL database, like this. All of the data is added. So git commit, git push origin master. Yeah, so the data is gone. So let's refresh this page. 76 commits. All right, so save the role and department data in the MySQL database. All right, so this is how it will work. So I hope you understood and liked this video. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, then ask those questions. I will try to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.